alam nyo, I kept talking. Hindi pala ako nagre-record. Anyway, good afternoon. Today is March 4. I had an early on-site visit near Mabalacat or in Mabalacat area earlier, around 10 a.m. I woke up pretty late, so I had to rush there. Good thing I was able to just make my own coffee. Pero hindi naman kasi sobrang strict pala nung site visit kanina. People are just coming in and out. Una ko kasing punta doon was a little bit parang naninibago pa ako sa road. I didn't know where I was gonna go yet, even though I had Waze. But after, because I've already been to that area, I just wasn't sure if for today that was the area na I was gonna go to, if you know what I mean. Ended up going, tapos since I was a bit familiar already with the road, I passed by a different route, so I was able to make it. I'm now at the mall because I've been needing to get my phone screen fixed. Because the other day, I think naka-vlog ako noon, pero syempre hindi ko na-vlog, diba? Nadapa ako, these are my knees, and then this is the floor, and nadapa ako on my knees. So my knees are up, and then during that time, I was in a call, I was holding my fan. This is the fan I was holding. And ayan o, if you can tell, nagkaroon siya ng dent. Kasi hawak ko yung phone ko and this one. And then I fell. So, even my phone screen cracked. Good thing it was just the privacy screen. So, I'm just gonna get it fixed today or replaced. And yeah, what a time. Parang ang tagal ko nang hindi nadapa sa life. Literally. I get that fixed today, and I figured it's already 1 p.m. I might as well just get lunch here as well. God! I kept talking. I was talking for 5 minutes and hindi pala siya naka-record. Okay. Hi, today is 5th of March. I was saying earlier, I was taking it super easy today because this whole week I've been in and out of the house a lot. I've been on the field and on site a lot for several different reasons, whether that's personal or for work. And I figured since I am on the go a lot, parang time na para ayusin ko yung big bag ko or utility bag ko. Also, I wasn't sure how much clips I was able to take this week, so I figured let's do an updated bag raid, what's in my bag. I am using this one, so I'm not sure if na-vlog ko na ba to before, pero for sure I was able to post this on TikTok. So yeah, I just needed a big tote bag with a zipper kasi for some reason, every time nilalagay ko talaga siya sa cart, tapos nagbe-break ako, natatapon talaga siya everywhere. So, yung isa kong tote bag, yun kasi walang zipper, pero nilagay ko siya sa car for all of my car needs there. I'll just breeze through it because it's not really that, it's just the basic stuff that I need. So again, my Ziploc filled with cans and liners, my medicine pouch, so all the types of medicine that you might need or I might need, I put here. And gusto ko yung ganito, mesh, so that I can see it agad or I can see what I need. I have my earphones, adapter, whatnot na kailangan ko. This is so cute. It's RM. And then I have here my alcohol, feminine spray, bag organizer. So, nakita nyo na to, yung makeup kit ko, yung number 2. Na-show mo ba to? Hindi pa ata, no? I already showed it to you, my normal makeup kit. I'll just leave a link here. This one is what I call my number 2 pouch. Kasi, honestly, hindi na ako namamahay. Anywhere talaga naabutan ako. Not unless sobrang gross yung place. Obviously, hindi ko siya kaya. But anywhere, on a gasoline station or whatever, I will you know. So here, I call it number 2 because I have my alcohol, a tiny alcohol that fits here. I have wet tissue and a bunch of wet wipes na gamit or na open na. And I super like this one, this kind of material kasi nga, since I am gonna be using it sa bathroom, pwedeng ipatong ko na lang siya and then madali mo siyang ma-clean since it's rubber. I have my power bank, my wallet, I just have my hand wash, my mint. You guys go to Starbucks and makita niyo to sa cashier. Try it out. It's so good. As in, it lasts, the mint lasts super long. Bunch of like teeny tiny stuff. So I have a hand cream, my hair clip, Tiger Balm, my favorite ball pen as of now. How cute is this? This is from Muji. And nung pumunta ako dun last month, wala lang, I was scrolling, and since mahilig nga ako magdala ng pens and whatnot sa bag, naisip ko, find like a tiny one, but it's still super cute. I have another color, it's this one. Sabi ko nga, parang feeling ko I wanted to get all of the colors, pero kasi I have other like Muji pens already, like these. So I'll probably make a separate video of all of my like stationery whatnot. And I bring the brown one just in case I need to sign documents or whatever. Lastly, I have this one. It's like a hook for your bag kasi nga like if you go out and then there is no place to put your bag, so you can just get this one. You put this on the table and then hang your bag here. How cute! May mga iba pa siyang animal. Just to add more on this video, I am choosing between which plushie do I want for my bag. I am still on that plushie keychain high. And if you're gonna ask me, am I that obnoxious? Yes, I am. So I'm gonna give you a tour of my mini plushie keychain collection. So I have my favorite one with me right now, my first ever Fuggler, and I've been seeing Fugglers all over my page for the past few months. And then nung mga Christmas, I was shopping for my like mga inaanaks and stuff like that. And then I went to the toy section and I saw this and it's super cute. I super love the material compared dun sa mga fluffy one. And you'll also see on my collection na umiiwas talaga ako dun sa parang fluffy na material. But this one, I'll just pop in the name if meron man siyang name. But I am so obsessed with Fugglers. Even my family are super obsessed with them. Like, I got my mom to get her own as well. So, nagtitwinning kami here. And my brother as well, he got like a Superman one. And I want to get like the ones that are... Well, kasi with the Fugglers, hindi pa naman kasi siya super like parang mainstream, I figure. Which is why I also went for the Fugglers. Kasi nga, I like how unique it is. So, ganyan lang naman yung keychain part niya. And lately, actually parang ang dumi na nga niya. Pero kasi, I chose this color kasi yun nga, like when it comes to stuff like this, parang hindi naman ako yung type na super maingat. Like, I'm fine like leaving it on the floor, ganyan, or like just letting it hang out. Kasi nga, yun na nga yung point, keychain siya, diba? So, lately, ito yung pinakagamit na gamit ko in any type of color of bags. Ito yung nilalagay ko talaga, whether it's a small one or a big tote one like this. So, I'm gonna introduce you to the rest of my collection. Yes, I am still a baby girl. So, itong box na to, I just saw this in Daiso ba? Daiso ata yun eh. Basta Japan, like Japan something. And nakita ko lang siya na paganyan. Kasi I was really looking for a clear box, number 1, para makita ko agad. And number 2, yung pahaba. Because I have like a shelf here na it's open concept and then you can just shove in different like boxes. And parang I was looking for something that's like long. Hindi naman sobrang dami ng collection ko, kaya nga I figured this one just works well. Start with this one. It's a gift from my friend, pero it fits here already. It's Suga. It's not a keychain. It's just a plushie. So, just to get out of the way. I love it. It's from Roseanne. Thank you, sis! Next one, I will start with this one. This is an alpaca. And siya lang yata yung the only fluffy one that I have. Kasi nga, as much as possible, I try to avoid furry looking fluffy ones. I like the ones that are like super easy to maintain and hindi masyadong madidikitan ng dumi. Lately, I don't know why, but I've just been obsessed with alpacas. I've been wanting to go and visit an actual one here, pero I'm just not yet sure where. Ang alam ko nasa south siya and I'm all the way in the north. So maybe I'll vlog that when the time comes na I do actually see an alpaca. And I got this from Shein. Next one is also from Shein. This is Crump. This is Lillo's voodoo doll or her doll, if you know Lilo and Stitch. So I got this one kasi nga, this is also from Shein by the way. So ganyan lang siya. Cutie. And I think na-wash ko na to kasi lahat naman pala sila yung color nila madaling madikitan ng dirt. But yeah, I super love this one. So cute yung buttons niya. I got this one kasi nga, I got Stitch. So, I got Stitch from Miniso. And sila yung tandem ko always. Like, I had them together. Whenever I'm gonna hang Stitch, I always need to hang Crump as well so that they're friends and they have each other. And they recently just got a bath. That's why they're super clean and they're staying in their apartment. One is my Crybaby. Nagkaroon siya ng dirt before, like, hindi ko alam. Kasi yun nga, sabi ko, hindi talaga ako maingat when it comes to like stuff like this. It's fine if it gets dirty. Pero nung time na yun, hindi ko alam saan ako dumikit or I don't know where I got stuck in. It had like black grease, like on the side. But this is from Pop Mart. It's a Crybaby. My friend gave it to me kasi I remind him of a Crybaby daw. So, that was short-lived. Anyway, next one is this one. I think lahat sila favorite ko. Especially this one, the Fuggler. I'm like genuinely obsessed with my Fuggler right now and I cannot wait to get more. But this one I think will be one of the ones talaga na is gonna be very sentimental for me. Number one, it's BT21, BTS, obviously. Pero what makes it super special is I bought this in Singapore. So that was my first ever solo trip. If you haven't seen it yet, vlog ko all of my days there. So I'm just gonna leave a link here on top of the screen if you haven't seen that vlog. Going home, I was just sobrang aga ko nun I remember, and I was going around like the airport and I was trying to finish my Singaporean dollars or Singaporean money, and I figured I wanted to buy something na obviously I can use and also will remind me of Singapore, even though this is not a Singaporean thing, pero I'm super obsessed with BTS as well. So inisip ko, perfect to, at least it's BTS, and I got it in Singapore. I actually have this pala. Ito, it's like a ring. You twist it and then insert mo yung mga rings din ng keychain. This is, I think, around 60 to 70 pesos lang. So I got like, alam ko I ordered 4 of these. Yung 2 nilagay ko dun sa mga tote bag ko na malalaki para, napapagod na kasi ako na I only had one before. So, ang ginagawa ko, tinatanggal ko siya I'll show you, wait lang. Okay, so this is what I was saying. I have these big ass tote bags. Ganyan sila kalaki. I have a red one and a black one. And as you can see, nilagyan ko sila ng mga rings like this. So, I got 4. Kasi 1, 2, 3. Tapos I gave it to my mom as well. Kasi I gave her a brown one na ganito. And yun nga, I was saying, napapagod na ako, natatanggalin ko siya, transfer ko dito, tas vice versa or other bags. So I figured, lagyan ko na lang sila lahat ng rings. I'll put rings on all of them so that it's easy for me to just, snap on a keychain or a plushie. That's it for today's video. I hope somehow you enjoyed it and you enjoyed my plushie collection. It's super cute, my keychain plushie collection. I'm now gonna put them back on their apartment because they're gonna rest. I didn't buy these all at once. Like I'm not really like the type na I have to collect everything. As in hindi, like pagka may nagustuhan lang talaga akong specific, yun lang talaga yung binibili ko. I'm gonna let them rest now. Sorry, the camera's moving again. So I'm gonna let them rest now in their see-through apartment. And yes, I hope somehow you enjoyed today's vlog. I hope I was able to take a few more clips today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again on my next one.
Yeah.